$160 amid fresh risk-off sentiment. www.ntvforex.com/news/?ID C44EAD 7 minutes ago by Anil Panchal. Gold prices keep the two-day winning streak despite the recent U-turn from $1,760.56. Bulls recently cheered the White House Adviser Navaro's comments defying the US-China trade deal. Increasing virus figures from Beijing adds to the risk-off momentum. Global PMIs, risk catalysts will keep the driver's seat. Gold prices dropped to $1,756 during the early Tuesday's Asian session. The move portrays the bullion's failure to keep the recent surge towards $1,761. In doing so, the precious metal ignores the challenges to the trading sentiment that crossed wires off late. White House Adviser Peter Navarro's downbeat statements on the Sino-American trade deal initially triggered the risk-off moves. The pessimism got an additional boost by the latest coronavirus, COVID-19, figures from Chinese capital as well as worrisome headlines concerning the Dragon Nation. The U.S. policymakers put Chinese media on the list that requires the outlets to obey rules like foreign embassies. The move escalates the US-China tension at a time when the Trump administration isn't speaking of the trade deal. The reason could be traced from the Dragon Nation's latest ban on meat from America's Tyson. The increase in Beijing's COVID-19 figures and grim words of the World Bank President David R. Malpass are some additional burdens on the market's risk-tone sentiment. On the contrary, news suggesting likely increased supply of the virus cure by the year-end as well as the U.S. Democrats' $1.5 trillion infrastructure plan might restrict the full-on risk aversion wave. Amid all these catalysts, the U.S. 10-year Treasury yield slipped 1.2 basis points to 0.69%, whereas Japan's also drops 0.50% to 22,330 as we write. Looking forward, the US-China story and the pandemic updates are likely to keep entertaining the market players. Additionally, the preliminary readings of June month PMIs for the key global economies might offer additional clues. Technical analysis unless declining back below the monthly support line, currently around $1,731. Buyers keep targeting a break of May month high surrounding $1,765/66 that holds the key to $1,800 threshold. Additional important levels overview: today last price 1,755.6, today daily change 0.61, today daily change percent 0.03%, today daily open 1,754.99, trends daily SMA 20 1,722.3, daily SMA 50 1,717.7, daily SMA 100 1,659.88, daily SMA 20 1,581.42, levels previous daily high 1,763.22, previous daily low 1,742.97, previous weekly high 1,745.46, previous weekly low 1,704.28, previous monthly high 1,765.38, previous monthly low 1,670.72, daily Fibonacci 38.2%, 1,755.48, daily Fibonacci 61.8%, 1,750.71, daily pivot point S1 1,744.23, daily pivot point S2 1,733.48, daily pivot point S3 1,723.98, daily pivot point R1 1,764.48, daily pivot point R2 1,773.98, daily pivot point R3 1,784.73. Disclaimer: information on these pages contains forward-looking statements that involve risks and uncertainties. Markets and instruments profiled on this page are for informational purposes only and should not in any way come across as a recommendation to buy or sell in these assets. You should do your own thorough research before making any investment decisions. www.ntvforex.com does not in any way guarantee that this information is free from mistakes, errors, or material misstatements. It also does not guarantee that this information is of a timely nature. Investing in open markets involves a great deal of risk, including the loss of all or a portion of your investment, as well as emotional distress. All risks, losses and costs associated with investing, including total loss of principal, are your responsibility. The views and opinions expressed in this article are those of the authors and do not necessarily reflect the official policy or position of www.ntvforex.com nor its advertisers.